Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing a term that holds significance in the world of personal hygiene and women's health. Let's break down this term to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as sanitary napkins, sanitary napkins, se, nit, re, nap, kins, sanitary napkins, while in American accent, we may pronounce it as sanitary napkins, se, ni, ta, re, nap, kins, sanitary napkins. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more terms you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.